So in order to program stuff in Java, you will need a text editor. But it will be also nice to have some build automation process so that it will compile and interpret your code and make it into a language that's understandable to your computer, so that you can actually run your codes and see what happens when you execute your program. And it will be also nice to have some kind of debugger that can tell you if there's an error or if there's a syntax error or a runtime error, and tells you what the problem is so that it will help you to locate the problem and solve the problem. There's an application that packages the text editor, build automation, as well as the debugger tool all together, and that application is called an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. And IDEs are designed pretty much to give programmers a development environment. It gives them all the tools that they need to code, to write and design and run their program. So in Java, we also have IDEs, and thankfully they're free. So the popular IDE for Java is called Eclipse. And that's what we're gonna cover in this video, how to where to get Eclipse. So to get Eclipse, go ahead and open your internet browser and go to eclipse.org. So this is a site for Eclipse, and go ahead and go to downloads, and there's a bunch of them. So there are a lot of Eclipse here, and really you can download any of these, but I recommend you to download this one. This is the one I have. Eclipse IDE for Java and DSL developers. It's one of the more standard ones. So to download, go ahead and click on, if you have Windows 64-bit, go ahead and click on that one. If you don't, click on that one. And once you've done that, it's gonna give you a mirror selection. So go ahead and click on the link that they gave you, and it's gonna give you a zip file, and you can save this file. And once you've done that, it's simply just a matter of extracting that file. And once you extract that file, you'll see a folder called Eclipse, and in there you will see the executable for Eclipse, and you can go ahead and run it, and there you'll have it. So eclipse.org is where you will download Eclipse, and Eclipse is an IDE that's going to have the editor part, as well as the build tools, as well as debugging tools to give you the environment to develop your codes in Java.